Hi, hello, namaste. This is JV. Today we are going to do 5th session of WOW. We will be starting the session with warm up. In warm up we are going to do two movements. The first movement is jumping jacks and the second movement is foot fires. First we will start with jumping jacks. Three, two, and 1. We are going to do foot fires for 30 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Three, two, and 1. So guys, after warm up, we are going to do the mobility. The first movement in mobility is squat hold, spine rotation. In squat hold, spine rotation, we go down to squat hold position with knees straight, spine straight. Now you need to touch your left hand to right leg and hold. Hold this for 20 seconds each side. Three, two, and 1. The second movement is cat and camel. Three, two, 1. Cat, camel, cat, camel. Relax. The third movement is hamstring swipes. In hamstring swipes, you are going to keep your right leg bent and the other leg straight. Swipe down and up. Swipe down and up. Swipe down and up. Switch other side. Make sure your leg is completely straight. Relax. And the last movement is cobra to mountain. Lie down on your chest. When I say cobra, you need to lift your body up. When I say mountain, you need to push your body back. Make sure you're touching your toes. When I say cobra, come down. Mountain, cobra, mountain. Relax. So we are done with the mobility. Now we are going to do the main workout. Today's main workout will be having 6 movements. 6 movements are completely focused on your lower body and some portion of your shoulders. The first movement we call it as Bulgarian split squats. In Bulgarian split squats, we need a chair. Now, in Bulgarian split squats, you need to keep your right leg on the chair and make sure your left leg is forward. Now, you need to squat down and up. Squat down and up. Squat down and up. While you are squatting down, your leg which is on the chair should be near to the chair and the leg which is outside the chair should be 990 degrees. You are going to do the same movement with both the legs, 10 repetitions. The second movement is courtesy lunges. In courtesy lunges, you need to move your right leg back, left leg back, right leg back. In this position, you need to keep your front leg in 90 degrees. Make sure you're not touching the back leg to the ground. You need to do 10 repetitions each side. So the third movement, we call it as standing calf raises single leg. In this movement, we'll take the support of chair. Now, you need to keep both hands on the chair. Now, keep your one leg bent and lift your body completely on your heels and down. Make sure you're not touching your toes when you're coming down. Lift up and come down. Lift up and come down. Lift up and come down. Make sure you're doing at least 20 repetitions each side. Fourth movement, we call it as glute bridges. In this movement, you need to come down, lie on your back. You are keeping your legs towards your butts. Keep your both hands on the ground. Lift your body up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Make sure you are holding at least 1 second on the up and coming down, and while you're coming down, don't touch your butt to the ground. Relax. The fifth movement, we call it as plank shoulder taps. In this position, you need to come down to high plank position. Now, in this position, you need to tap your alternate shoulders with alternate hands. You need to do 20 repetitions each side. And the last movement, which we call it as hollow rocks. In this hollow rocks, you need to come down to boat position. Make sure your legs are straight, your hands are completely straight. Now you need to rock like hollow. When you oscillate, we call it as 1 repetition. Relax. These 6 movements comprise of 1 lap of this wow session. In this wow session, you are going to do 3 laps of these 6 movements. Make sure you take 30 seconds of rest between each lap. After doing these 3 laps, we will be moving to stretching session. The first exercise in the stretching session is called pigeon stretch. In this position, you need to come down to high plank position. Now bring your right leg forward. Make sure your thighs touching the ground, and in this position you need to bring your leg forward, forehead touching the ground. Hold this for 20 seconds. You need to do at least 20 seconds each side. The next movement is called hip abductor stretch. In this movement, you need to keep both your legs in 90 degrees. Now you need to keep your right hand down, and with other hand you need to press the leg outwards. Hold this for 20 seconds. The same you need to do for the other side. The last movement, we call it as hamstring stretch. In this, we lie down to sleeping position. In this, you need to keep your left leg towards your chest and hold. Other side. You need to hold this movement for 20 seconds each side. Relax. So guys, I hope you are also feeling the same what I am feeling, completely exhausted after doing these 3 laps of wow session. Make sure you remember 3 things while doing this wow session. First is you need to eat well, you need to drink well, and you need to sleep at least 8 hours to stay healthy and stay fit and to reach your goals. So guys, the beginners who are doing this workout for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for getting the latest updates. And the advanced people who are already with me and they are doing these workouts with me, please comment in the comment section so that I'll be able to make any changes you require. Until then, stay fit, stay hydrated. JV signing off.